In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count from 11 to 20 with complete spelling in Ogoni Kana language and also in English. So if this is your first time on my channel, please do well to like, share and subscribe. My name is Peter Wenganani, your host today. 11, which is Loblezi. This is spelling of Loblezi. Lop, le, zin. This is 11. 12. We have 12 here, which is 1 and 2. 1 and 2, which is lop, le by. Lop, le. Lop, le by. This is the spelling of by. By. Here we have 13, which is 1 and 3, which is loop, le, ta, the spelling of ta, loop, le, ta. Here we have 14, which is loop, le, nia, Loblenia. Here we have 15, which is lop, le, o. Here we have 16, which is lop, le, ini, ni. Here we have this lovely in. Here we have 17, which is loop, le, eleba, ele, ereba. Here we have 18, which is loop, le, eleta, ere, ta. Here we have 19, which is loop, le, elenia, nia. And here we have 20, which is tup. Yes, I feel on it. So let's start over from number 11. Remember, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write and pronounce numbers in Ogoni, starting from number 11 to 20, because I've already taught you how to count 1 to 10. So in today's video, we're starting from number 11 to 20. Number 11 in Kana Ogoni language is called Loblezi, which is 1 and 1. It's called Loblezi. 1 and 2, which is 12, is called Lobleba. This is the spelling of Lobleba. In today's video, we are starting from number 11 to 20. Number 11 in Kana Ogoni language is called Loblezi, which is 1 and 1. It's called Loblezi. 1 and 2, which is 12, is called Lobleba. This is the spelling of Lobleba in pure Kana language. Then 1 and 3, which is 13 in English, is called Lobleta in Kana language. This is the spelling of Lobleta. Then 1 and 4, which is 14 in English, is called Loblenia in Kana Ogoni language. Then 1 and 5, which is 15 in English, is being translated to Ogoni Kana language as Lop-le-o-o. Here we have 1 and 6, which is 16 in English, is translated to Ogoni Kana language as Lob-le-ini. This is the spelling of Lob-le-ini. Here 17, 1 and 7 is 17 in English, is translated as Look Le Eleba, which is 17, 1 and 7, 17. Then here we have 18, which is 1 and 8. It's being translated to Kana, Ogoni language, as Look Le Edeta. Then here 1 and 9, which is 19, is being written as Look Le Edenia. Why the last one on the board, which is 20, is called Tup. Is called Tup. So for further explanation, this is how it will be more easier for you to catch up. For instance, we have here in the box Zin, which is 1, we have 2, which is Ba, we have 3, which is Ta, then we have 4, which is Nia, we have 5, which is Oo, 6, which is Ini, 7, which is Eleba, 8, which is Eleta, then 9, which is Elenia, then 10, which is Look. Listen carefully here. So here, what you do is that you add 1 to 10, which will give you 11. So if 10 is Look, if 10 is Look, then and the 1 is equal to Zin, Z-double-I. Then 10 is N-O-P, L-O-P, which is Look. So now, if you want to add 1 to 10, which will give you 11, 10 is Look, then 1 is Zin. Listen carefully. 10 is Look, then 1 is Zin. So if you are adding 1 to 10, which is 11, it will be written like this: 1 plus 10, which is equal to 11. 11 will be written as Look, and 1, which is Look lazy, equal to Look lazy, Look lazy, Look lazy. Did you understand it now? Then here, to get 12, you say 1 plus 2, 1 here plus 2 plus 2, which will give you equal to 12. 12 is written as Look leba, Look le ba, Look leba. Are you seeing it? Because 2 is by, 2 is by, 2 here is by. So what you do is that you add 2 to 10, which will give you 12. 2, you have 2 to 10, which will give you 12. So here you have here 2 plus 10, 2 plus 10, 2 plus 10 plus 10, which will give you 12, which is Look leba. Here 3 is ta, T double A, there's a comma on it, which signifies the ta. So you add 3 plus 10, 3 plus this 10, 3 plus 10 will give you 13. That's in English. In Ogoni, it will give you Look, letter, Look, Look, letter, Look, letter. Then here we have 4, which is Nia. Here 4 plus 10 will give you 14. 4 plus 10 equal to 14 in English. In Ogoni is equal to Look lenia. Look lenia in Ogoni language. Then here we have 5, which is Oo. Here for Nia. Nia. Here 5, which is Oo. O. O. So when you do 5 plus 10 will give you 15 in English. So here 15 in Kana language, the Ogoni language, is called loop. Le o. O. Loble o. Do you understand it? This will be better for you to understand, because we have here 1 zin, 2 ba, 3 ta, 4 nia, 5 is o, while 10 is loop. So let's just plus it together. 1 plus 10 will give you 11. So if you are adding it, zin plus loop will give you loble zin. Ba plus loop will give you loble ba. Here we have ta plus loop will give you loop leta. Here we have nia le loop. Nia nu oyelelo loop. Na we give you loop le nia. O which is 5. Yellow loop which is 10 will give you 15, which is loble o, and so on. So if you observe, you come to this place, in which is 6 plus 10 will give you 16. In Ogoni we call it loble ini. This is 16, loble ini. So 10 plus 7, which is 17, will give you loble eleba. Then here you add 8 plus this 10, that's eleta. 8 is called eleta. Balo eleta plus loop will give you loble eleta, which is 18 in English. Then here you have 1. Here you have 19, which is 1 and 9, which is loble elenia. Then finally on the board we have here 20, which is pronounced as tup. So let's convert this to money business, as if you are buying something in the market. So if you add 10 naira to 20 naira, it will give you 30 naira, which is tubule loop. Are you getting it? Tubule loop is called 30. Tup. Let me clean the board. Tup. So let's convert this to money calculation. Here is tup. So if you add 10 to tup, it will give you 30 in English, which is tuble lo. So if you add here tup le lo, which is equal to 30. Let's convert it to naira. Put the naira sign. This is 30 naira. Then here loop, which is equal to 10 naira. Put the naira sign. 10 naira. So if you add 10 naira plus 30 naira, it will give you, if you add 10 naira plus 20 naira, not 30 naira, plus 20 naira, it will give you equal to 30 naira, which is called tup lelo in Kana Ogoni language. So in our next video will be on how to count money in pure Ogoni language, as if you are buying something. For example, if you are buying something in the market, you know how to make change in pure Ogoni kind of language, how to calculate your money and make some change, local change in the market. So thank you very much. My name is Peter Menganani, your host today. This is my own little way of contributing to promoting the Ogoni culture, which is my heritage. If this is your first time on my channel, please do to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. I really appreciate the time you spend on my channel watching my video. Please share with others. Thank you very much.